In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Meeting Scheduler. By the end, you'll have a shareable booking link that lets people pick a time that works for both of you without the back and forth. Start from your HubSpot home screen. In the global search bar, type Meeting. In the results, open Meeting Scheduler. If this is your first time here, click Get Started. This area is where you'll build the page visitors see when they book with you. Next, choose Create Scheduling Page. HubSpot offers three formats: one-on-one, which books time directly with you; group, which lets multiple attendees grab a spot with one host; and round robin, which spreads bookings across a team. For this walkthrough, select one-on-one, so the link connects people straight to your calendar. You'll be asked for an internal name. Type a clear label you and your team will recognize, like intro call or demo 30 minutes. This name is just for you. Visitors won't see it. When that's set, click Next. Now define when you're available. Pick your availability window so HubSpot only offers times that fit your working hours. Think about the days you actually take meetings and any gaps you need between calls. Then confirm your time zone. This is important because HubSpot automatically converts times for your visitors. Setting yours correctly prevents confusion and no-shows. Adjust your duration options to control how long people can book with you. You might keep a single length for simplicity or offer a couple of choices, such as 15, 30, or 45 minutes, depending on the type of conversation you expect. Shorter options can reduce context switching, while longer ones work well for in-depth discussions. When your durations look right, click Next. Review your selections and click Create Scheduling Page. HubSpot generates the booking link immediately. To share it, open the newly created meeting and click Copy Share Link, then click Copy. The link is now on your clipboard, ready to paste into emails, chat, signatures, or your website. Anyone with the link can pick a time, and new bookings will land on your connected calendar with all the details. That's it. You've built and shared a HubSpot scheduling page in just a few clicks. Feel free to repeat the process for different use cases, like a quick check-in or a deeper consultation, so people always reach the right kind of meeting.